Hi, it's Kylie, and I'm going to be explaining the 3D cell division models. So right now we're in interphase, and the spindle fibers have not shown up yet. And so here, this is before the cell is going to divide. So we have the centriole, the nuclear membrane, and here are the chromosomes inside the nucleus with their centromeres and each sister chromatid. So that's interphase. So now we're in prophase, which is the first official stage of mitosis. And so the nuclear membrane has dissolved and went away, and the spindle fibers still haven't formed yet, but here we have the centrioles, the chromosomes floating around each sister chromatid, and each of them have a centromere. So that is prophase. So now we're in metaphase, and so the nuclear membrane is still gone, but the spindle fibers have formed and they attach to the centromere of each chromosome as the chromosomes have lined up in the middle. So here we have the centrioles, the spindle fibers attaching to each chromosome's centromere, and then the sister chromatids, and each of these is a chromosome. So that is metaphase. Okay, so now we are in anaphase. So the chromosomes that were lined up are now being pulled apart by the spindle fibers, and so the nuclear membrane is still gone. And so here we have the centrioles, we have the spindle fibers that are attached to each centromere and pulling them apart, and then we have each sister chromatid that's being split, and they used to be formed to be the chromosomes, but now they are split apart. So the chromosomes are not there anymore. So this is anaphase. Okay, so now we are in telophase, and this is when the cells have almost completely split, but they are still attached in the middle. And so the spindle fibers have dissolved and went away, but now the nuclear membranes have reformed into the two separate cells. So here in each part we have a centriole, and then the nuclear membrane is around the chromatids in each part, and then we have the centromeres, and each sister chromatid has a centromere. So these are the sister chromatids, and the chromosomes where the chromatids used to be together are not here anymore, so they are split into their halves. So this is telophase. So now we're in the final stage of cell division, which is cytokinesis, and this is when the cells have completely split off and they are not connected anymore. So now they are two separate genetically identical cells. So the spindle fibers are still gone, but the nuclear membranes have reformed in the two separate cells to make the nucleus. And so outside we have our centrioles and our nuclear membrane, which is around the chromosomes, the homologous chromosomes in each nucleus. And each of those have their two sister chromatids that have reattached, and each of them has a centromere. So that is cytokinesis and the final phase of cell division, and thank you for watching.